Okay, so I'm going to be doing a top-down analysis for GJ from the daily down. Looking at the daily candle, we see that there's an uptrend. We can see the uptrend from here. You see the line full on the candles. It's an uptrend. So looking at the candles too as well, we can see that there's been a bullish move. We've seen bullish moves. Looking at this candle here, there was a very strong bullish move, but bearish came and then they brought it all the way down here, almost halfway. Then we see a bearish candle. The candle started off to be bullish but ended up being bearish, but you can see with the body of the candle, it means that there was low volume and that the bullish, they had much more volume than the bearish. And then when we look at this next candle, we see that there was a very volatile move because there was a very little to no weak at the there's a very little to no weak at the bottom here, and we see that the candle was quite healthy, so there was volume. Then what happened was that looking at this next candle was that there was a higher high going on, but there was very much low volume, meaning that at some point when they came up here, the bearish came and they had much more volume, pushing them or pushing the bullish volume to overpowering the bullish volume to the point where it gets here. And then now we have our current candle, and this current candle seems to be moving bullish. And so my hypothesis is that it's gonna come back and fill this week up. This week here, this candle, I believe it's gonna come up and fill it. So how do I know it's gonna fill it? What I need to see is this candle. I need to see this candle closing above the previous candle, because if it closes above the previous candle, that tells me that the bullish team, they have um much more, they're empowered to keep moving and to keep making higher highs and hitting higher prices in markets, right? So that is for the daily. Sorry, that was the daily. So looking at the 4 hour, we can see what's going on right now. We can see that the candle here is coming, it's bearish, which is why on the daily you can sort of see like this rejection here, because if this is going down, then this is going to be going down too as well. So the lower time frames, they make up the higher time frames. So here we see that it's almost like a battle. It's been for 4 hours. This is where they're at. So basically it's telling you that looking at the week here, the bearish, they try to move up, but then the bullish try to move up, but the bearish came with volume. And then right now, if it's been like almost 4 hours and this is the volume, it means that there was really high tension and friction between the bearish and the bullish. And then if we look on the 1 hour, so right now on the 4 hour, we need price to break this price here. We need the bullish candle to break beyond this point. And then if we look on the 1 hour, it's the same thing too as well. So we need volume for market to keep pushing up. We need it to close above here. We need it to close above. Yeah, because it needs to conquer these rejections. And if you look on the 30 minutes, it's the same thing too as well. So here we're really going to need volume. We're going to need high volume because there are like hiccups here. You see how there's a resistance here. Yes, so we need the market to really have volume so we can really push up. And if we look on the 15 minutes, we see that the 15 minutes, it's a little bit funny here too as well. They're like fighting to be the next candle. So we're gonna wait.